Hello everyone, welcome to my studio. This file you can find it in Creality Cloud under Octopus pen holder. The Octopus take around 3 hours and the base take me around 2 hours to print. All depends on your settings. After it come out of the printer, you're gonna have to remove the supports. Here it is, and now you have to use some kind of filler to fill all the gaps and minor disperfects. You're gonna have to use some sandpaper to be sure that you sand it and look nice and smooth. It looks after being sanded, and now it's ready for a primer. I'm using this kind of primer. This is 2-in-1. Depend on your settings, and that depends how many coats you have to give. Given in mind 2 coats because I printed really fast. And remember to check the can really well and do it in the well ventilated area. And this is how it look after it's primed, and we are ready for paint. So for the base, I'm gonna use some black paint, and remember to check it really well. Apply evenly. Don't matter how you apply, as long as evenly, this will do the trick. And this is how it look. And for the octopus, for the bottom, I'm gonna use some red. And remember, just a little bit goes a long way. This is how it look. All the bottom. I'm using a hair dryer to speed things up, so I don't have that much patience. And now I'm gonna use some yellow to do some dry brush underneath. Looks really good. And for the body of the octopus, I'm gonna use some teal color and a softer brush. Yep. Using the hair dryer again. Okay. Now I'm gonna dry brush some blue. So this will give it a 3D effect. Be sure your brush is really clean. Okay, here's how it look after the blue. I did the eyes, and here it is. Now we're gonna seal the paint. I'm gonna use this sealant for the base, and for the octopus you're gonna use something that not that many people use, so I'll show you what it is in a minute. Apply evenly. Oh, we're gonna use some glue later on, so be sure to have it in hand. And this is what I was talking about. This is what we're gonna use for the body of the octopus. And we're gonna use this type of brush, but any brush will do it. And here it is. I put a lot, so I want to give the impression that was wet. This is the base, this is the octopus. Even that I used 2 different products, both look nice and shiny. And now we're gonna let them dry. You see, it look really wet because the glue is thicker than the polyacrylic. And it's totally dry and it's totally clear. So now we're gonna use the glue. I'm using gel glue because for me it's easier. I have to hold the camera in one hand and glue with the other, so it's easy for me to use gel. I like it better. I think it dry cleaner and faster. So you put a little bit. I put a lot. I squeeze too hard. So, but you put a little bit where the tentacle's gonna touch the base, and that'll be, it'll be a solid piece after that. I'm gonna use a hair dryer to speed things up, and I'll show you the final result. Here it is, final result. I think it looks amazing. Look at that. Look at that colors. Look at that shine. Looks like it's wet. Now I'm gonna test it. Be sure they hold my pencils. I can put 6 pencils in there with no problem. And all depend the size that you print it. If you print it bigger, you can put more pencils in. If you print it smaller, you're gonna less pencil. So I'm using some pens now. Beautiful. You can put markers on it. The sky is the limit. You can put brushes. You can put tools. Close up. Looked really good. Very nice. I hope you guys like it, and thank you.